What up, y'all? Welcome. We're gonna be checking out the SSERAFIM's comeback showcase, starting with Easy. Now, some of y'all said I should check out the performances first before I check out the album. Well, I think you're right. I think we should check out the performances. And actually, more big news. Started Patreon. Yes, started a Patreon, link in the description. You could join for free. I'll be posting my reaction to Swan Song and Smart on there. So click the link, join, be a member. Also, be sure to subscribe and support your homie. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, do a little thing. Yeah. So because a lot of things have been getting blocked if I do live stages, or why block is it's literally free promo. I'm not even getting paid by this. So yeah, Patreon, link in the description. Go join it. But without further ado, we need to check out Easy, because I already checked out the music video. You already saw it. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. Link in the description as well. And yeah, without further ado, bye. Whoa. Bro, this song is already in my head. It's so chill but vibey but hits. Ooh. Hey, with the choreo too. Oh, I get to see more of the choreo too. Easy. Okay, you better get yours.
Clap your hands, 너도 나와 같다면 clap your hands now.
Are they saying drink?
I'm the real one. 조명까진 dim, wonder in the night.
Hey.
Don't know what is right, don't know about my rights. 즐기신 wishing 불신 이제 friends on me. 세상에게만 반짝
Better get yours, Miss Ma'am. Bro, I really want to see them live. Her top is so dope, by the way. I don't know where it's from. And her boots look like she killed a Cookie Monster, but she's slaying. Bro, I saw like a comment like, it's like, no K-pop girly looks good with red hair. Bitch. Yoonjin. I love that move so much, especially with Chaewon. Oh my god, bro. Like, I don't have like a bias. Of course, Chaewon got my attention since debut, but I like them all equally. But Chaewon in this one, especially in the music video, like the and the face shit she made in the music video, the confidence, bro, boss shit. Even here too, like the whew. Woo. Oh, the footwork in this too. She goes like bop, 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 bop. Her shoes look fire too. Chaewon shoes. Woo. Miss Ma'am, let's go. Get your shit. And she killing it. Oh my god. 3, 2. Bro. Got me. You want to go out here, be just like making a stank face going. I love that. Damn, I really look easy, bro. I love that. Bro, this is literally an anthem. Damn, I really make this look easy, huh? I mess with that. God. Ooh, and the look back. Are they gonna look back? Ooh, definitely gotta go see them live. Gotta see them live, bro. If you have, you definitely want to go see them live. Oh my goodness. that was a whole buffet. What the hell? They ate that ish. Again, guys, if you want to see my reaction to Swan Song and Smart, link in the description. Join the Patreon. It should be available for free. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.